this is the balance air scoring system, also known as the BESS. I'm gonna have my mother actually do this test. I'm gonna go ahead and explain to her how it's gonna go. So it consists of 3 different stances. All right, you have a double leg stance, a single leg stance, and then a tandem stance, which you put your right foot out in front and then the left foot behind it. And what you're going to do is you're going to close your eyes and you're going to put your hands on the iliac crest, the bony part right here. And you're going to just try and stay as balanced as possible throughout the whole test. So let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and show you what the double leg stance is going to look like. Right, so double leg standing, you're going to stand with your eyes closed and your hands on your hips. And single leg, right, and then the tandem, which is this. And you're just going to, it's harder than you would think. And then the airs are, so I would count up your airs after after watching you. The airs are moving the hands off of the hips, so you can't do that, that's an air. Opening your eyes, don't open your eyes, it's an air. If you step or stumble or fall. Abduction or flexion of the hip beyond 30 degrees. So if you kind of start like flailing around. Also lifting the forefoot or the heel off the testing surface. So if you lift, if you start rocking or whatever, that's an air. And then just remaining out of the proper testing position for greater than 5 seconds. That would be an air. Okay, so do you understand how it's going to go?
Yes.
And each trial is going to be for 20 seconds. And I'm going to take each one of the standing, or the double, the single leg standing, and then the tandem stance. And then the second part of this, we're going to use like a foam pad. You're supposed to use like a Eric's foam balance pad, but we don't have that, so we're just going to use this yoga mat. Not the same, but the whole point of that is to just kind of make it harder for you. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready? Okay, we did the first trial. Didn't record, so we're gonna do it again. Yeah, your feet together, hands on the hips. Whenever you close your eyes, that's whenever I'll start the timer.
No.
Okay. Alright, that's good. That's the easy part. Okay, so now the second part of this is going to be the single leg stance. So you're going to stand on one foot, and you might as well just start this all at the same time, whenever you're ready, because
Standing on one leg?
standing on one leg with your eyes closed and hands on the hips and trying to balance. It's okay if you fall, it's just an air. Just try to do your best. Okay, almost there. Yep, you're good.
Ready?
Okay, are you ready? Eyes closed?
Go.
Okay, stop.
Oh, just what I got.
Okay, so now we're moving on to the foam surface, and same exact thing that you did. All right, so double leg, And as soon as you close your eyes, I'm gonna start the timer.
Okay, go.
Okay, you're good. Okay, so now we're doing the single leg.
Are you videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing. Now we're doing the single leg on the foam surface. So, you remember, stand on one leg.
Okay.
And as soon as you close your eyes, I'll start it.
There you go.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, yeah, you ready for the tandem? That's one where you line your feet up.
Okay. I do good. I'm worried about the mosquitoes.
Okay, go ahead.
I can't even
Go.
get started. Wait, don't go.
Oh.
Okay, go.
So the purpose of this is
Is it over, man?
test your balance. Yeah, it's over.
I don't have good
It's your
balance.
ability to know where you are in space. Proprioception.
Well, could my neck problem have something to do with it?
Maybe.
Come on.